Learn 5 new C1 words today. Meaning, examples, and a short story for each word. Boost your vocabulary and take your English to the next level. Let's begin with the first word. Consensus. General agreement among a group of people.
The team reached a consensus after hours of discussion. There is no clear consensus on how to solve the issue. The leaders reached a consensus during the summit.
The friends couldn't decide on a movie. Finally, they reached a consensus to watch a comedy. The night ended with laughter and popcorn. Can you make your own sentence with consensus? Well done. Time for the second word. Facilitate. To make a process easier or more efficient.
Good communication can facilitate teamwork. The teacher used visuals to facilitate learning. Regular meetings facilitate better decision-making.
The manager scheduled weekly meetings to facilitate communication. Team members started sharing ideas more openly. As a result, projects moved forward faster than before. Can you make your own sentence with facilitate? Perfect. Let's check out the third word. Profound. Very deep or intense, showing great knowledge or insight.
His speech had a profound effect on the audience. She felt a profound relief after hearing the good news. The book offers profound insights into human nature.
During the hike, she experienced a profound sense of peace. The mountains stretched endlessly before her. She realized how small yet connected she was to the world. Your turn. Make a sentence with profound. Great job! Get ready for the fourth word. Consequently. As a result.
It rained all night. Consequently, the match was cancelled. The road was icy. Consequently, there were many accidents. He worked hard. Consequently, he got promoted.
The company invested in employee training. Consequently, productivity increased across all departments. Managers noticed results within just a few weeks. Can you make your own sentence with consequently? Okay, now it's time for a useful idiom to finish our lesson. Think outside the box. To approach a problem in a creative way. We need to think outside the box to attract new customers. Innovators think outside the box every day. Solving this puzzle requires you to think outside the box. The team wrote down their ideas and put them in a big box. The box was full, but they still didn't have a good solution. Then one teammate pointed away and said, "Let's think outside the box." Today we've learned consensus, facilitate, profound, consequently. Think outside the box. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.